Yeah, I woke up to about a foot of sunshine on the ground out of my place this morning. Don't think I'm gonna make it into work today. Greetings, viewers of the YouTube. My name's Kenny and I'm the Idahonian. I'm hiking the River Canyon Trail in the Snake River Basin between Swan Falls Dam and Celebration Park. Apparently this was a mining settlement 100 years ago or something. Fortunately, not a lucrative one, because now it's nature again. In fact, it's the Birds of Prey National Conservation Area, home to the largest concentration of raptors anywhere in the United States and possibly the world. You can see osprey, eagle, hawk, falcon, owl, harrier, vulture, condor. Raptors. In addition to waterfowl, ducks, geese, there's probably swan. Here's some of the old miners' cabins. This one's got a good view. I hiked along the cliffs going down into Halverson Lake. Then I found a helicopter landing pad. I don't. So, that concludes my hiking adventure on the Birds of Prey National Conservation Area of the Snake River Basin. See you next time.